Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. In today's video I will show you how to claim your token in an Imhuman App step by step. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. So as I have made the video previously how you can import your private key into a Web3 wallet, so here I will show you how to claim your token like in the application. So if you participate in app which is Imhuman application airdrop, so all you need to do is to come this section which is reward. So when you come up for reward, so as you can see, like here is my total airdrop that I have been getting for the PRIVASEA AI, which is PRAI. I have been get on 117.08 the total accumulated coin that I've been getting. So let's click on this icon which is view details, and then they will show us like a method that we can claim our token to the exchange. So as you can see, like here is the total amount that I have, 117, and the claimable will be 58.54 PRAI token. So let's click on claim, which is 50%. So yes, here is it. So as you can see, like I need to claim my token. So let's read this together. You can only claim your airdrop once at the moment you are eligible to claim 58.54 PRAI. Waiting a bit longer will allow you to claim a higher amount. Are you sure you want to proceed? Yes, let's click on yes. Yes, we want to claim our token. So let's wait for a little bit so that we should claim our token to the exchange. So to claim your token, you need to make a first verification as we have made it earlier, like in the beginning of the Imhuman application. So let's begin with the first verification. Let's cut the video so that I should complete the first verification so that we should continue.